Hello everyone, my name is Geetanjali. So, in this video, I will be discussing about an incredible versatile programming language, the JavaScript. And we will be covering why this JavaScript is so important and how and its fundamental concept and how it will shape the future of web development. Just to start with, the JavaScript JS is a high-level interpreted programming language. It was created by Braden H. It was developed in December 1995. So it was developed to make the web pages alive, to make interactive. But significantly over years, it was expanded. So we need to understand this JavaScript is so popular and why is it so important? So its main importance is web development. It is JavaScript is a very core component in web development stack along with HTML and CSS. So it help developers to do dynamic web pages, interactive web pages. So for example, if we consider YouTube or any Instagram, everything they use JavaScript just to increase our interactivity, not just front end, also back end. Okay, so next other thing is its popularity. It's very popular. JavaScript consistently ranked as the most popular programming language in surveys like Stack Overflow Developer Survey and other surveys. It's shown as the top most popular language. And other importance is its versatility. JavaScript versatility is remarkable. It's not limited to just front end development. Okay, with the advent of Node.js, there is another scripting language, Node.js. JavaScript is used on server side as well. So additional framework like React Native, this it can be used for desktop and mobile app development as well. So its versatility is also very important. So next, let's talk about its key features. There are so many features, but the main features are its syntax and basic constructors. Why is it different from other programming languages? So we have heard in C, Java, everything there is int, float, some data types. Here our variables can be declared using var, let or const. Just three things, and the data types are like string, numbers, boolean, object and array. No just int, float. So it is more advanced. And there's functions. Functions are the building block in JavaScript. So we can reuse the code. And so next important feature is DOM manipulation, that is document object model. So JavaScript interact with HTML and CSS through DOM, document object model. This allows us to dynamically change the content and style of the of web pages and everything. So next is event handling. So consider an event like if I scroll or I click something or if I double click or I mouse over just these are events. So some actions have to be happen in response to it. So this is done using event handling. This adds some interactivity. So it is very good feature of JavaScript. So they use event handlers like add add event listeners, and the other is asynchronous programming. It is a feature of JavaScript like to handle like fetching the data from an API without freezing the UI user interface. You have to fetch data. That is it's asynchronous programming. We use promises, async and await syntax for this purpose. And the other one is API and fetch, just to retrieve data from the user. And this fetch API is the modern ways to handle this request. Okay. And other one is its JavaScript ecosystem. There are millions, there are numerous libraries and frameworks that extend JavaScript capabilities. It is not just simple. It's a vast capability. It has vast case capabilities. jQuery simplifies this DOM manipulation that I have mentioned to style or modify content in an HTML. So this DOM manipulation is simplified by jQuery. And while other frameworks like Angular, React, these will improve the create structures for building complex applications. So JavaScript is the main component of all these things. Next is tools and build system. Modern JavaScript development often involves tools like NPM, that is Node Package Manager, for managing packages and to manage a bundle of assets. So this is used. And so let's talk about its real world application. So I have talked numerous random words. So let's consider YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. They use JavaScript for their application, for their interactive features. And similarly, frameworks like Node.js is used as a power backend service, like companies like LinkedIn and Netflix. So, so let's talk about the future of JavaScript, since it is now the popular JavaScript. What is its future? So the JavaScript is evolving since years. JavaScript continues to evolve. Recent updates in ECMAScript, that is ES6, have introduced new features like arrow function, classes, modules. The language is constantly being enhanced to meet the needs of modern development. It's continuously evolving. So the trend and the future direction. The trend is like increasing the use of TypeScript for static type, and there is a chance of growth. The growth of serverless architecture also increase the demand of JavaScript. So, so let's conclude. To recap, the JavaScript is a powerful, versatile language essential for web development. Its ability to create dynamic and interactive web experience, along with its vast ecosystem, makes it indispensable for modern developers. It has vast importance, and it is not just simple language. It is a powerful, very powerful language. So if you are more interested in learning JavaScript, I will recommend you to go through the documentation by for it is W3 schools. It is very beginner friendly. Or if you are on any online course platform, you can refer free Code Camp and Code Academy. So getting involved in also other thing is get involved in JavaScript community can be incredibly beneficial. So um, so let's conclude. Thank you for listening.